How to add extra baggage in Skyscanner. So the thing is, you can't add extra baggage directly through the Skyscanner website after you've booked your flight. That's because Skyscanner is not the company actually selling you the ticket. It only compares flights and then redirects you to the airline or a travel agent's website, such as trip.com, where you complete the booking. Once the booking is made, Skyscanner doesn't manage it anymore. If you later decide you need more luggage, you'll have to go back to the airline or travel agent you booked with. You cannot do this through Skyscanner. First, check your booking confirmation email to see who your booking was made with. If it was through a travel agent like trip.com, go to their website. On the site, look for an option such as Manage Booking, My Trips, or Extras. You'll need to log in using your booking reference number, your last name, and sometimes the email you used. Once you've accessed your booking, you'll see different options for extras like seat selection, meals, or baggage. From there, you can select the amount of luggage you want to add, see the price, and pay directly through the airline or travel agent. After payment, you'll get an updated confirmation email showing that your extra luggage has been added. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.